Hi friends, welcome to my channels, Your Educare Planet. I am sure that you all have heard about Nepkin.ai. Nepkin.ai nowadays on top to design your PPT for presentation. If you have not yet heard about Nepkin.ai, this video will be very useful for you. To catch out this kind of content, please subscribe my channel Your Educare Planet so that you can reach out this kind of useful video time and again. So let us start with Nepkin.ai. Nepkin.ai is available on Google. You just type on Nepkin.ai. First of all, let me show the outcome of Nepkin.ai. You can see this slide. This slide is not being prepared by me. I have just provided the content to Nepkin.ai. Nepkin.ai provided me several designs for this particular content. I have chosen this content for particular. I have chosen this design for my particular content. But there are several content that Nepkin.ai had provided to me. I can show you another one. You can see this slide also. You can see the background here is black. It was also done by the Nepkin.ai. I have not made it background black. It was done by the Nepkin.ai. You can see the very beautiful presentable slide of this content had provided by the Nepkin.ai. Another one, you can see this. So there are many slides which I had prepared with a minute of time. I have not put here the effort to design it. I have just provided the content to Nepkin.ai. Nepkin.ai provided me a very presentable slide of any content. So quickly start with Nepkin.ai. First of all, my friends, I am trying to present its pricing. So as a starter plan, so I recommend initially you start with this starter plan, which is always free. You just need to get login through Nepkin.ai. It will seek your email ID, just else it will seek only your email ID, nothing else. You just log in through this email ID and reach out the Nepkin.ai platform. So when you click on Nepkin.ai here, I'm just going to click here. You will get this kind of option, get Nepkin.ai free or sign in. I request you first go on get Nepkin free. When you click on get Nepkin free, you will find here library and new napkin. So when you click on new napkin, again it will give you the two options, draft with AI or blank napkin. So this is your choice. If you have a content with you for your presentation, I think most of the time we have a content, because I don't recommend you to use draft your content with AI. I request you to plan your content, because when you present something, suppose you are presenting your research proposal, you are presenting your pre-thesis or your thesis or anything you are presenting, you have your own content, or you are presenting something to your boss, to your manager, to your CEO, you have your own content. So I request you to please use it with your own content first of all. So when you become master, you can also try with some AI content, but initially start with your own content. So first go to napkin, see here blank napkin. When you click on, I am using the blank napkin. If I click on blank napkin, it will give me this kind of picture. Okay, you can write here anything. I am writing here workshop on Nepkin AI. Okay, so this is probably my first slide. Okay, यहाँ presented by say this is my first slide. Okay, when you write something here, okay, here you will find option, this kind of, say, I can say logo. When you click on this logo, here you see generate visuals. Okay, when you click on this generate visual, just within 1 or 2 minutes, you will see here it will provide me many options for this content. Okay, just wait on, it is only the one option. You will see here it will provide me other option also. This is first one, this is second one. If you are in want this, you just click on. Okay, when you click on, there is the option to export. When you try to export it, there are 3 mode: color mode, background, resolution. So if you want a light color, then this kind presentation will be with you. If you want a dark color, its background become automatically dark. If you need a background and dark color, it will appear like that. If you do not need background, it will appear like that. Resolution 1 time, 2 times and 3 times is available. You just go on, you have a PNG, CVG and PDF, but most of time we are interested in PNG, so I will click on PNG and just download it. When you download it, the visuals are available with you. You just click on, you can see the visual ready. You can copy it to your slide, so I can show you. So in this way, I have designed all my slides using this content. Okay, I can try with more content. I will delete it. I can show you. This is the content which I have already given to the Nepkin.ai, that I requested Nepkin.ai to provide me a patent flow chart. Okay, for this I have provided to Nepkin.ai all the steps involved in this chart. Okay, already provided. So it will give me several options, but I opted this one to present my idea from idea to grant. I have not given here any suggestion that you start with give me a title that idea to grant. It provided me by itself that the patent process from idea to grant heading is also being generated by the Nepkin.ai. You can see this kind of chart is provided by the Nepkin.ai. If we want more charts, again I can show you. I can generate visuals. Click here. After providing the content to Nepkin.ai, just after few minutes or within a minute, you can see here many options are available. See this one, very beautiful. This one you can see here. This one, several options. This is your choice, your selection, for which you are most comfortable. Suppose I want to take this one, I just click on it. Ready? Here is option export. Because I am already used the dark mode, so it will provide me a dark mode. If I am not interested in dark mode, I will go to light mode. I need a background, fine, because I request you please choose without background, because where you want to fit on your slide with your own slide color, it will directly fit into that. This resolution 123, just go on, even you can clipboard it, or I request you to take download. When you download it, this visual is ready for you for your content. You can see here this visual is ready. You can paste this visual anywhere. I will show you. I will copy it, go here, say this slide, this is blank slide, I will paste it because I have used it without background, so it color is different. So I go to the design format background, because my background is bit, you can see here this slide is ready for me. How much time it has consumed? Less than 1 minute. But if you want to design it by itself, it will take, I think, 20 to 50 minutes, or probably you cannot design like that. So this is the video for you people to work with Nepkin.ai. Nepkin.ai is a wonderful tool. I request you, all of you, please first use with starter plan. Do not go for professional. Yes, professional is still $0, but I request you to start with starter free plan. Use it freely. Now till day it is free. I think for researchers and for professionals, this free starter plan is enough. You try it, and you want to, if you are interested to reach out this kind of useful video, research related video, please subscribe my channels, Your Educare Planet.